Welcome to the best tutorial part 4. This part 4 we will talk about the order by keyword used in database. So now start. Okay, for make sure that you have installed Ajax. I will tell before about part 1. Okay, sharp. Okay, let's start your SRAM control panels. Wait a minute. After some your work, you will start a patch and my actual SRAM. Okay, so we go to this one. Start not yet. Too slow. This one. This one. Okay, now Apache and actual are start. So we now go to handy actual. Okay. So about for last we talk about the consultable, distinctable, where okay. Now we for the last section we study about the distinguishable. Okay, distinct statement. So for the last section we study about the distinct statement already. So now we will study about where class, right? This thing we study already. So we will study about where class. What is where class? Where class is the class used to filter the record, and where class is extract only those records to fulfill specific field criteria. So we use a where class statement to filter the records that have in the table or in the database. So like this statement, select column name from table where column name equal, right? Operator value equal. So in database they have many operator, but I will take only a few operators to show you. The first one is equal, non-equal. Non-equal is some version of actually operator. Maybe you write in us this one. This one it is that mean unequal, but this one is equal or unequal the same. And the short it is j greater than, fourth it is less than, fifth greater than or equal, fifth, sixth less than or equal the same, 7 between inclusive range, 8 search for the pattern, and 9 to specify multiple possible value for a column. So now we start to write the comment about the where class statement, right? Okay, so we start. So we go to handy actual. Okay, I can share. Okay, cancel. Okay, now I put this, I change this one. I mean I use the database training. I use database training. So now I check select guy, okay, guy from table demo. Okay, we execute here. Okay, so in our table demo we have column ID, customer name, contact name, address, city, and postal code and country. So we use the class statement to classify or filter the record. So now we can write this one. So we open a new query. We just select the same, select keyword the same, select, okay. We verify the column. For the column, so we want to take a record from table remote only column ID, customer name, and address. Okay, example, we want to check the record from table remote only 3 column ID, customer name, and address. So now we click select column name ID. Okay, ID, this one column name. The short it is customer name. The fourth it is address name, right? Address, okay. And we use the keyword from table name. What a table that we select from? So it is the demo table, right? This name of the table. So we put here select guy from table demo. Okay, demo, and specify where. We use where to filter or specify the record, which record that we want to select from. Where column name. Okay, where column name. So we put here column name, which one? So we want to select the record that select ID, customer name, and address from the table demo where ID equal to. Where ID equal to, that means if the in table demo have ID equal number 2, we will select, but outside like 1, 3, or 4, or 5, we don't select from it. We don't select. So I choose where. Okay, sorry. Where ID equal 2, right? Where ID equal 2. So it just execute. So when we run this query, we select this query. It select only ID, customer name, address name from table demo where ID equal to. So we will select the value in column ID, column name, and column address where ID equal to. So if ID equal to, we select only this one record, and other outside it don't select. So we just run this query. Okay, like that. Select. It take only one record, right? It take only one record. It's not all. So this is all. But if we put where, that means we filter the record. That means we filter which record that we want to get. So it will show you only the record that we want to get. So now it is UID, but we can change. Select ID, customer name, address name from table demo where. I can say where the customer name. Okay, we can say here where customer name equal, how can I say, around the whole. Okay, we copy here. Okay, we copy and we paste here, right? So when we run this query, it will select this record, throw this record. Why you don't select the number 2, number 3, or number 5? Because our query, when we select, we will select all record the same from table demo, but it is the condition where record value that we want to get. So in the query, we want to get the record that have contact name equal around the whole, right? so it will select only one. If around the home have 2, it will select 2, but it have 1, it will select 1. So we run the query. Okay, right. Contact name row address 120 Hero Square. So we will select only one record. So it is the select statement, right? Where select statement using where, right? So now we learn about the where class already. That means where is used to filter the record, and here we will show the code. That means this one that we call filter where. If we select ID, customer name, address from table demo, it will select all the record in column ID, column contact, customer name, and column address. But it doesn't filter the record. But after we put where customer name equal around the house, that means it filter the record. That means it select the record where customer name equal around the house, so it filter the record, right? Okay, now we go to the next section. And or operator. And or operator. What is and or operator? And or operator are used to filter the record the same based on more than one condition. Based than one more condition. An operator display record if both the first condition and the second condition are true. The OR operator display a record it will either the first condition or a second condition is true. Here we have a note, column name must be different, right? Okay. Now it is that mean key function, keyword of the name. Select guy from table name where column name equal and column name equal, right? Okay. And or operator, it is used to filter record based on more than one condition. I mean we use and or to compare or to filter record more than one, not only one. And an operator it display record in both the first condition and second condition are true. The OR operator display record if either the first condition or second condition is true. The mean OR operator it display only second or first condition are true. If it's false, it don't display, right? If it's true, it will display. And the column name must be different. Okay, thank you. So we let you to practice about an or operator. Okay, now it's true I have this table that have this value. So I will show you. Select, we use select guy from table name. So which table that we want to select the record. Okay, so I use table demo. Select guy from table demo where. Okay, we use switch where operator also where column name. So I want to choose where column name. For example, where column name I choose customer name. Why customer name? It is the column name. Where customer name equal. Okay, now I choose which one. Okay, I choose number 4 the same or number 5. Okay, put number 4. Okay, copy here. Okay, copy. Where customer name equal and we use the keyword and contact name equal or where ID name, and ID name because we put ID equal example we call equal 4, right? Okay, so it will select guy from table demo. That means it selects all the data in the table demo, and we find where the customer name equal around the whole. So we select which customer name around the whole. This one is around the whole. It select one, and ID equal number 4. So we check ID equal number 4. If ID different with number 4, it doesn't show with different query. Okay, we copy this statement. We choose new query. We open new query. Okay, so we run. Okay, so it will select this only one record. We select this one record, ID number 4, now contact name, address name, etc. ID. So we select where customer name. We select only the data that have contact name and ID that have value equal 4 and around the whole. So what is different if we don't put the ID number 4? So like it here around name, it have ID number 4, but if we put select guy from customer name equal around the whole and ID number 3, it doesn't show because the ID is different, right? So put number 3, it doesn't show. It doesn't show, that means the record that ID equals 3 and customer name around half, it doesn't have in this table, right? So we can log, it doesn't have in this table. It have only ID 4 and customer name around the whole, but ID 3, customer name around the whole, it don't have. It have only auto-read, marine, tick query, right? So the query it don't show. So we use n to use when the two condition or two table are the true value. We can. Okay, it's right. So it is the n operator, or we can and use to filter the record based on more than one condition, right? So now we test all. Like as we told you before, all operator is display record if either the first condition or second condition is true. That means if first condition are true and the second condition are true, this display all the same, right? So we can test, or we can put here, or y. We select the same, select from table demo where customer name are shown around and ID number 4. But this one we use keyword or operator or, so we run. It's still the same. Right? It's still the same. But when we change ID example number 3, because number 3 it don't have around here, right? So we execute. It's still the same. That means which it don't specify the value. That means it's select if the table have customer name around, it will select, and the customer name and the table have ID number 3, it will select also. So it will select both if are different or it true all. So all condition, it will, if the table have customer name equal like this, it will select 1, and ID or ID equal here, it will select, it will select both. So it is all, we use all to select or to display the record if either the first condition or second condition if true. That means it select both customer name and ID. Okay. Here it is the and or operator. So now we clear about and or operator. And about the where class we study already. Select column name, customer name from table, where column name operator value. And or operator it is the same. We select from table where column name equal value and should note it, and we use it to select only true, both record are true, like this one. If the ID equals 3 and the customer name equal around the whole, it done so because the ID and the customer name it don't match. Like ID customer name is Anthony and ID 4 customer name is around the whole. So if we put ID number 3, it don't show. But if we put both conditions are true, it will show. But if in which both conditions are false, it don't show. But about all, it different. All it show all condition. First condition it have, it will show, and second condition it have, it will show also. So like this one, it show the same. If it have ID minus 3, it will show. If customer name equal around the half, it will show. Okay. So you clear about the and or operator. So thank you for watching the database tutorial part 4, and the next tutorial part 5 we will learn about the order by keyword. Right? Thank you for your watching.